सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। ॐ Chapter 16, verse number 19. तानहं द्विषतः क्रूरान् संसारेषु नराधमान् क्षिपाम्यजस्रमशुभान् आसुरीष्वेव योनिषु। We are seeing the topic of Asuri Sampat and Daivi Sampat. Just as a person possess wealth, by possessing wealth, that person get some benefit, prayojanam, some advantage. That is why it is called wealth, by which I can fulfill my desires. I can achieve something in my life. That is wealth. Here Lord Krishna talking not about that wealth. Money is a one type of wealth. What we have to understand, there is a wealth other than money or gold or property, any land. Other than this, there is another wealth. Generally, we don't know this. We know only land, gold, money, currency. This is the wealth. But Shastra talking a different type of wealth. Why Shastra talking about that wealth? This wealth will give you only materialistic happiness. No doubt this wealth will give happiness. We don't say it is not giving. It gives definitely. But you can enjoy that wealth. What? This currency, money, gold, wealth, all the children also come under property. This also wealth. Children also wealth only. You can enjoy only when you have this Daivi Sampat. That is spiritual wealth. Spiritual virtues. When you have these spiritual virtues, Daivi Sampat alone, you can enjoy that Bhautika Sampada, that is materialistic wealth. This is the fact. We have to understand because Veda says. What is the connection between these two? Why Upanishad says or Veda says like that? There is a lot of connection. This spiritual wealth, Daivi Sampat, helps us to mature. It helps us to our inner growth, inner maturity, emotional maturity, inner growth at mental level, this spiritual wealth. Once I have this spiritual wealth, inner maturity, inner growth, emotional maturity, this will help me to enjoy that wealth. This is a backup, support. It is hidden. It is not visible. It is hidden. This wealth alone make that wealth meaningful. This wealth, that wealth means you have to understand properly. You should not ulta pottakudadu. This wealth means spiritual wealth. This spiritual wealth means what? All virtues. All virtues, first 4 slokas. All those virtues, first 3 slokas, 3-4 slokas, all Daivi Sampat virtues makes that wealth, materialistic wealth, meaningful. Then you can enjoy really. Therefore, we have to acquire this first. Or at least along with that. First, yaar varamata classic. Oh, along with that, you have to acquire this also and enjoy that. This is what Shastra says. Artha kama, materialistic. When dharma is there. Dharma is spiritual wealth. That dharma helps you to look at this artha kama also dharmic, then you enjoy the righteous way of life. Bhartrhari says in one shloka, beautiful shloka, how people are missing this fact. Why they are missing? What is the reason? He found out the reason. It says, Ayur Varshasyatam Nrunam Parimitam Ratrau Tadartham Gatam. Lifelong, remember, this sloka. Ayur Varshasyatam. Let us take, for a human being, lifespan is 100 years. Okay? 100 years. Poduma? 100 years. Adhik mele irundha bonus. Okay. Minimum 100 years we want. Okay? Why? Ayuhu Varshasyatam. Adi puriyadilliyo? Ayush is the lifespan. Varshasyatam. For whom? Nrunam. For human beings. Parimitam. That is limited. Parimitam, we are not going to live 200 years, 300 years. Parimitam, limited 100 years. In this 100 years, Ratrau Tadartham Gatam. Tadartham anna, in that 100, 50 years, half. 100 la half evla? 50. Ratrau Gatam. Tadartham. And that 50 has gone in night. Sleep. நமக்கு தூக்கம் வருதோ இல்லையோ நம்ம தூங்க வேண்டியதானே. We have to lie down on the bed. Tadartham gatam. Then tasyarthasya pararthasya aparam balatva vruddhvatayoho. Tasyarthasya ante in that 50 gone. How much we have now? 50. In this 50 also tasyarthasya parartha aparam means 12 and off and 12 and off. Pararthamanna 50 lo you take half. How much? 25. And the 25 lo you take 2 again. 12 and off, 12 and off. Okay? 25. Tasyarthasya parartha aparam. Ante in that 50 years lo you take 25 years and the 25 years lo 12 and a half years balatvam. Chinna kolana. 12 and a half years in childhood. And 12 and a half years in highest climax vruddhapyam, old age. 12 and a half years, from babyhood to 12 and a half years. Onnum theriyadu, enna pandradhanu theriyadu. They do not know anything what to do. Right, wrong, they do not know. They cannot have that much maturity also, 12 and a half years. First 12 and a half years of childhood. And later, last 12 and a half years, everything he knows, what is right, what is wrong, everything nalla theriyum. But he cannot implement. Because old age, ஒன்றும் பண்ண முடியாது. உட்கார வேண்டியதா எல்லாம் போய் பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கேன் யார் யார் போகிறாங்க வராங்க. So 12 and a half years gone this side, 12 and a half years gone that side, 50 years gone in the night. இப்போ எவ்வளோ பாக்கி இருக்கு? 25. பார்க்கலாம் இந்த 25 எப்படி நீ. சேஷ வியாதி வியோக துக்க சகிதம். சேஷம்னா அதர் 25 years. சேஷம். Vyadhi means disease. Viyoga means separation. People, they depart from our life temporarily or permanently. They go to abroad or they go to another abroad. Other abroad and other Swargam. Viyoga dukkha sahitam. This separation which gives me pain, dukkha. Dukkha sahitam. Sesha vyadhi viyoga dukkha sahitam. Not only that. Sevadhibhir niyate. Job, serving elders. No? We have to serve all the children. We have to serve elders. We have to serve job. We have to serve house. Chollave venda Swamini. We have to serve. And we have to serve to this body also. That is also comes under serving. Sevadhibhir niyate. It is taken out by disease and separation and service. For these 25 years. Now, this type of life is like what now? Jive vari taranga bhanga chapale. Human life is like a water bubble. It's like a water bubble. Jiva, that life is Jive vari tarangam. And the tarangam, the wave comes. Upon that wave, a bubble comes. Vari taranga bhanga chapale. How much time it will stay bubble? Fraction of seconds. Even within blinking, and the time kulla adu poidum. Kshanam. Jive vari taranga bhanga chapale. Saukhyam kutah praninam. Where is sukham for these human beings? Tell me. 50 years gone, 12 and a half gone. In the 25 years, master checkup. அது என்ன வருமோ ரிப்போர்ட்னு ஒரே பயம். அது வரதுக்கு முன்னாடி வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் கூட எவ்ரிபடி டெல்ஸ் மாஸ்டர் செக்அப் ஆயிடுச்சா உனக்கு? மாஸ்டர் ஏதோ பெரிய ரெகுலர் செக்அப். இது மாதிரி லைஃப். This Asurik Sampath people do not know this. This fact they do not know. They think life is permanent. They want to enjoy. And they think everything is in my hands. Because of kamam, krodham, lobham, moham, previous verse we saw. Because of that what? And they take to only materialistic life, materialistic wealth alone is predominant. They never look this side of spiritual wealth. Then what happened, Arjuna? They are going to enter into inferior wombs. Next birth is not human birth. Even human birth they get by mistake. They suffer like anything. With all problems. Tanaham vishatah kruran. Who hate the Vedic dharma, the dharma shastra, the principles, rules, regulations, achara, vyavahara, who hate all these things. Tan aham. Who are they? Dvishataha kruran. They are kruras. They are cruel people. That's why hatred always converts into cruelty. Cruelty is nothing, but it is hidden hatred manifest. Cruelty means it appears in the form of actions, words, which is in the form of hatred in invisible form. Hatred manifests as cruelty. So these kruras, these people are cruel people. I will throw them kshipami aham. I will throw them in samsareshu. Again, womb to tomb, like they are just thrown by me. Kshipami aham. Ajasram ashubhan yonishu. Always amangalamana oru vayatila. Not mangalam, but all amangalam. That means painful anartham. Painful means what is painful? Here, painful means he entered into such animals or birds' wombs which have no thinking capacity. Donkey, you see the donkey, it carries lot of weight. If you keep chandan, sandal, lot of sandal on that donkey, can donkey enjoy the smell of sandal? Can donkey enjoy the smell of that sandalwood? It cannot enjoy. Why? Papa yoni. They cannot enjoy. Even you put lot of Veda books and all to carry. அதுக்கு என்ன வேல்யூ தெரியும்? அது மேலே வச்சேன் ஒன்றும் தெரியாது. அது ஒரு ஜீவன் தான். So they do not know the value. Therefore, as a human being, if we do not know the value, சொல்லணுமா? Let us know the value of our scriptures. Bhagavan has given a human life only to know the value of this highest wisdom, scriptures, scriptural teaching. Otherwise, what is the difference between that and me, animals? So they take such a type of births again. And they cannot know, they cannot use their free will. They cannot use their free will. Animals cannot use their free will. A rat, cat, rat, cat, it cannot enjoy the privilege they don't have. Bhagavan has given me the privilege. Let me use this privilege. I should not waste my time. How long I am going to live, I do not know. Unpredictable. Let me utilize my life for highest purpose. Therefore, Arjuna, Asurishu eva yonishu. Again, they born in Asurik family. Asurik, like Tamoguna Pradhanam anartham. Asura means what? Tamoguna Pradhanam. Shankaracharya says the tiger and elephant. Okay, Vyaghra Simha yonishu ani Shankaracharya writes. They enter into such wombs like a tiger and lion. You have to add all other wombs also. Okay, next shloka. Up to here we saw in the last class. Shloka number 20. Asurim yonimapannaha Mudha janmani janmani Mama prapyaiva kaunteya Tato yantyadhamangatim. So one has to be alert or careful about one's life. Always alert living is very, very important. Never be complacent, but be alert. Otherwise, the mind has got a capacity to addiction. Once you are addicted to do something, doing something, it will become a habit. Every habit will become an addiction. So it is very difficult to come out of that addiction. That's a nip in the bud. Any evil tendency, bad habits, I should not encourage. The Vyadhi and Shatru, once they are there, by just their presence, nothing will happen. Vyadhi just come, nip in the bud. If you allow it to nourish, even a strong person also will be weakened. He will become weak, even strong person. So Vyadhi comes, you have to nip in the bud. You should not allow it to nourish, to nurture. Similarly, Shatru also, enemy also. Enemies, maybe they are those who don't like you, but you should be careful about them. If you don't nip in the bud in proper manner, they will get horns and they will come and kick you. It's very, very careful. Similarly, I am not talking about the outer enemies. We are talking about inner enemies. This சொன்ன உடனே who are all enemies to me? Your enemies are your own kama, krodha, lobha. Krishna Paramatma. Already he said in the 18th verse, your enemies are your own inside, in your mind. Check up, watch. இப்போ எங்கே போனாலும் கூட செக்கிங் பண்ணுறான் இல்லையோ, மெட்டல் டிடெக்டர் வச்சுட்டு அது மாதிரி மெட்டல் டிடெக்டர் வச்சுக்கணும். வாட் இஸ் மெட்டல் டிடெக்டர்னா சாஸ்திரம். If I am in Shastra study, it is a metal detector. Every Thursday class is what? Metal detector. You are coming through the metal detector only. Again you are going through the metal detector, checking your mind. So Bhagavan says, having attained this type of body, Asri Yoni, what will happen to their life, you know, Arjuna? Again they do all wrong actions. They suffer, and they again next birth also again go to inferior births. That's what he says. Asurim yonim apannaha, entering in this asura wombs, tamasic nature wombs, having entered janmani, in every birth they born as asuras. In which tamoguna is predominant, where there is no discrimination. Where there is no discrimination, viveka, right or wrong. The discrimination is not possible in those beings. They don't have. If human being is not using that viveka, what is right, what is wrong, he is inferior than animal. Inferior than animal. So therefore, they will go to birth again and again. They enter into the same wombs. They do not reach me at all. Mudhaha mam aprapya. How they can attain? In the human life, you are not able to understand the Shastra, Dharma Shastra, Bhagavan's teachings and all. You are not having respect towards God, reverence is not there. And in human life, it is what to talk of that animals. It is as good as not knowing in the human life. That's why know the value of human birth. Know the value of the human life. If இது அறியலன்னா அதுக்கு நமக்கு டிஃபரன்ஸே கிடையாது. ஆஹார நித்ரா பய மைதுனஞ்ச சாமானியமேதத் பசுபிஹி நராணம். சாப்பிட்றது, தூங்குறது, குழந்தை பெற்றுறது, என்ன அதையும் பண்றது, நம்மவும் பண்றோம். புத்தி தேஷாம் அதிகோ விசேஷா. புத்தி தான் எக்ஸ்ட்ரா நமக்கு, அது யூஸ் பண்ணணும். அது சரியா யூஸ் பண்ணணும்னா ஐ ஹாவ் டு பி அண்டர் த கைடன்ஸ் ஆஃப் சாஸ்திரா. வித்தவுட் சாஸ்திரா கைடன்ஸ் நோ ஒன் கேன் யூஸ் தேர் புத்தி பர்ஃபெக்ட்லி. இம்பாசிபிள். Under Dharma Shastra guidance, under Vedanta Shastra guidance, first Dharma Shastra, then Vedanta Shastra. This is Dharma Shastra we are talking. This Dharma Shastra is complete, then Vedanta Shastra in 2nd chapter, Bhagavad Gita. It is possible. So Dharma Shastra and Brahma Shastra. Without Shastra, impossible. Therefore, Janmani Mudhaha, these indiscriminate people, again they will enter into inferior births without attaining me. Where is the possibility of knowing me? Mam aprapya means they do not follow Dharma Shastra, Dharma Marga given by me. They are lost in artham. Life is lost. Once for lost. That's all. Over. Therefore, in Yoga Vasishtam, Vasishta Maharshi says, Shubha-shubhabhyam margabhyam vahanti vasana sarit paurushena prayatnena yojaniya shubhepatina. If I want my life in a better way, my vasanas are there in my life. Vasanas means which are born out of previous janma. And the previous janma vasanas are very powerful. Will-based vasanas and purva janma based vasanas. நமக்கு அறியாமலே சில வாட்டி ஒரு மாதிரியா பிஹேவ் பண்ணுவோன்னா அதெல்லாம் பூர்வ ஜென்ம வாசனை. அது மேலே நமக்கு கண்ட்ரோல் கிடையாது. சுபமாக இருக்கலாமா அசுபமாகவும் இருக்கலாம். அது இட் மே பி ஆஸ்பிஷியஸ் ஆர் இன்ஆஸ்பிஷியஸ். Shubha-shubhabhyam margabhyam vasana saritu vahanti. They flow in our life. Sometimes our mind is so good. Same mind, sometimes you see, சொல்லவே முடியாது. ஏன்னா வாசனா சரித்து. But பௌருஷேன பிரயத்னேன, deliberately I have to change the course of my vasanas into right direction. பௌருஷேன பிரயத்னேன, பிரயத்னம் பண்ணணும். பிரயத்னம் பண்ணலன்னா சுபமான வாழ்க்கையில போக முடியாது. பௌருஷேன பிரயத்னேன யோஜனீயா, I have to think and plan. Subhe pathi, a traveler, the one who want to travel in this auspicious marga, and the path, spiritual path, he has to plan lives. அதெல்லாம் பிரயத்னம் இல்லாமலே வர முடியாது. That's why whole religion is meant for this shubha marga. ஆச்சார விவகார, இந்த சுபா எல்லாமே நம்ம வீட்டில் பண்ணுற ஆச்சாரம் எல்லாமே இதுக்கு தான். நம்ம ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கணும். நம்ம சில்ட்ரனுக்கு இது தெரியாது. பட் we have to insist at early age. We have to take effort. வேணும், வழி இல்லை. சும்மா சொல்லக்கூடாது, மை சைல்டுஹுட்ல நான் இப்படி இல்லை, மை ஃபாதர் மதர் ஐ வாஸ் வெரி கண்ட்ரோல்ட். யூ ஆர் கண்ட்ரோல்ட், யூ நோ தட். By talking that, what is the use? Now days are changing, media is changing, everything is changing, children are like this. By saying that, never compare your life with your children now. So now you have to do what to do for this. The steps எடுக்கணுமே தவிர சும்மா சொல்லி பேச கிடையாது. And go on comparing your life with your children. நான் அப்படி இருந்தா இப்படி இருந்தேன்னு. Who knows? நான் பிறக்கவே இல்லை, எனக்கு எப்படி தெரியும்னு சொல்லுவா குழந்தை. I have not seen you. என்ன சொல்லுவேன்? Therefore, we should talk in front of children very carefully. Whenever we are talking, we should not bring our past life at all. We should provide our help to them for to fulfill their ambitions. Rest of them, leave to them. That's all. You provide your help. Therefore, this Shubhe Pathi, you have to, Shubha Marga, we have to take them. Vasana Saritu Paurushena Prayatnena Yojaniya Shubhe Pathi. Otherwise, what will happen? They are not able to attain me. Tataha Adhamam Gatim Yanti. They go more inferior births. Further inferior births they go. ஒரு ஸ்டெப் விழுந்துட்டான்னு படியில் நேரம், when you are climbing, you have reached to the highest step. என்ன ஸ்டெப் அதுன்னா ஹியூமன் பர்த். ஒரு ஸ்டெப்பு விழுந்துட்டோம். We have not followed the all norms of human life, suppose. We have violated because of our kama krodha. One step we have fallen. What will happen? Next. அப்புறம் கீழே வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் அடிதான். Therefore, அந்த ஸ்டெப் படாமலே இருக்கிறதுக்காக தான் சாஸ்திரம். அந்த ஒரு ஸ்டெப்ல ஸ்லிப் ஆகாமல் இருக்கிறதுக்காக தான் சாஸ்திரம். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லோகா. தம் வித்யா கர்மணி சமன்வாரபேதே. The jiva is eternal. See, this jiva, even though he leaves this body, he continues in the next body. Therefore, tam vidya karmani samanvarabhete means previous janma vasanas he takes again, brought forward. According that he behaves. Again, for that one shloka is there. Adana doshena bhavet daridraha. Adanam enna danam பண்ணாமலே இருந்து என்ன ஆயிடுவான்? நெக்ஸ்ட் ஜென்மாலோ தரித்திரன் ஆயிடுவான். Adana doshena bhavet daridraha. Then what? Daridrya doshena karoti papam. Next janma, because of poverty, he cannot do danam. Not only danam, to get money he does papa karma. Adana doshena bhavet daridraha. If in this life, whatever I have, limited money I have, maybe I am not a rich person, suppose, I should give danam. I should do danam. In danam pandlana dosham adi. Adana doshena, next janma what? This janma I have not done at all danam. Next janma I will get lesser salary than this. Lesser money, lesser salary, everything I get. அதான தோஷேன பவே தரித்திரா. அப்போ அந்த தரித்திர லைஃப்ல, பாவர்ட்டி லைஃப்ல என்ன ஆயிடும்? தாரித்ய தோஷேன கரோதி பாபம். தாரித்திரம் இருக்கும்போது தானமே பண்ண முடியாது. நாட் ஓன்லி தட், பாப்பம் எல்லாம் பண்ணுவான். He does papa karma because of that poverty. Daridrya doshena karoti papam. Then what will happen? Papa accumulated. Papa dajasram narakam prayati. Because of that papa accumulation, again I go to narakam. Narakam means inferior births. Papa dajasram narakam prayati. Therefore, daridraha punareva papi. Punadaridraha punareva papi. He goes to inferior birth again, daridra. Punaha daridraha, punaha papi. தானம் பண்ணலன்னா, ஆமாம் நிஜமா சுவாமினி நான் நம்ப மாட்டேன். நம்மள போய் பாரு அண்ணா, டேக் ஜன்மாஸ் அண்ட் சி. அங்கே என்ன பார்க்க முடியும்? அப்புறம் சஃபரிங் தான். திஸ் சாஸ்திரா சேஸ், ஐ ட்ரஸ்ட், ஐ பிலீவ், ஐ ஃபாலோ. Give, give, give. Similarly, people goes to lower janmas. They cannot recognize Paramatma. Not possible. 21. Trividham narakasyedam dvaram nashanamaatmanah कामक्रोधस्तथा लोभः तस्मादेतत्त्रयं त्यजेत्. Now, Lord Krishna concluding, he is going to summarize the whole teaching of the 16th chapter. What is the consequence? If they live like that, they will go to again and again in inferior births. What is the consequence? The final consequence he gives, and its cause also. Again he is reminding its cause and final consequence. Trividham narakasya idam trividham narakasya dwaram. இப்போ ஹைவே ரோடு எல்லாம் பேசுகிறாங்க இல்லையோ, நிறைய பேர் ஹைவே ரோடு சுவாமி போனோன்னா வெரி ஃபாஸ்ட் வீ கேன் கோண்ணா. ஹைவே ரோடு போய் பார்க்கணும். ஹைவே ரோடில் புதுசாக அது அப்படியே காரில் போனால் பறக்கும். அப்படியே கார் நிஜமாக ஃப்ளை பண்ணுறதான்னு தோணும். அந்த அளவுக்கு நல்லா இருக்கும். அது விடுங்க. இப்போ நமக்கு என்னென்ன ஹைவே 3 highways are there to go to Naraka. To go to Naraka, hell is nothing but mental pain is called hell. Okay, mental pain is hell. Any womb, any jiva goes, there is a hell because there is a mental agony, pain. Even in human birth also, that person goes mental agony, pain. That is called Naraka. 3 highways are there. 3 highways, and it just go just like that. What are they? Kama, Krodha, Lobha. Which avada Kamaha number 1. First highway. Highway not to Delhi, Calcutta. Okay. First highway to hell. Kamaha. Then number 2, Krodha. Tatha Lobha. Kama means desire. Krodha means anger. And Lobha means greed. Tatha means and. Lobha means greed. Idam trividham. All these threefold gateways. Dwaramanna gateways. Gateways of what? Narakasya. Hell to hell. There are 3-fold gateways to hell. This is the cause. What is the consequence? Atmanaha nashanam tasmat. Because of these highways, 3 highways, Kama, Krodha, Lobha, desire, anger and greediness, these 3, because of these 3, tasmat, Atmanaha nashanam is the cause for one's own destruction. It is cause for one's own destruction. Therefore, etatrayam tyajet. Because of this reason, therefore, Arjuna, are you interested in going Naraka? No. Don't take to that path. Don't enter into that gateway. Therefore, give up. Tyajet means what? Tyagam pannu. Give up kama. Give up krodha. Give up lobha. How to give up, Swamini? Either give up and a clip and a give up. Either pustakana give up. Pen and a give up. Kannadi and a kudu. I can give up anything. But this kama, krodha, lobha are person himself. No? The person is an embodiment of desire, anger, greed. How to give up? What to do? Shastra gives technique, methods for that. What Shastra says, all these three start in the mind first. They start in the mind. They have a negative capacity. They are not helping us in a positive way. Kama, krodha, lobha will never help in a positive way. On the other hand, they help us in a negative way, destructive way. How to handle this kama first? Number one, 3 clues we will see. First, para apakara rupa kamaha, give up. Para apakara rupa kamaha means a desire which is harmful to others. If I entertain this desire, because of this desire, there is harm to others. Para apakara kamaha. That which is harmful to others, immediately, like a hot potato, give up now itself. If it is apakaram, harmful to others, number one. Number 2, give up selfish desires. Swarthapurita kamaha tyagaha. If they are selfish, only my sake, ennuda swartham. Anything if I do, எனக்கு ஏதோ பிரயோஜனம் இருக்கு. ஸ்வார்த்தம் இருக்கு அதுல. Selfish desires, give up. This is second formula. Third formula is selfless desires. You can have plenty. Selfless desires, you can have plenty. Desires இல்லைன்னா என்ன ஆயிடும்னா பைத்தியமே பிடிச்சிடும். அதனால டிசைர்ஸ் இருக்கணும். இப்போ கிளாஸுக்கு வர்றது டிசைரா இல்லையா? ஆமாம், சுவாமின்னு நீங்கள் டிசைர்ஸை விட சொல்லிட்டு அதனால நான் கிளாஸுக்கே வரதை விட்டுட்டான்னு சொல்லக்கூடாது. Selfless kama. This is a selfless kama. Selfless eppadi aham swami, idu kuda desire dana. It is shubha kama. It is a good desire, non-binding desire. This will not cause any pain. It is not harmful to anybody. It is not harmful to you also. Selfish desires are harmful to you, and those selfish desires which are harmful to others, to them also and to you also. But whereas selfless desires, you can have plenty. That's why Mahatmas are all having plenty of selfless desires. Constructing ashramas, institutions and all, what? Selfless desire. Teaching is a selfless desire. Listening is a selfless desire. I am not asking anything. I don't have any selfishness. This is Shubha Kama. Have plenty. So handle Kama in this way. Give up harmful desires and give up selfish desires. Entertain selfless desires. Then how to handle Krodha? It is proportion to Kama. Okay. As long as there are selfish desires, which desires are harming others, those desires are there, you cannot avoid anger. Unavoidable. நமக்கு குரோதம் வரதே என்ன அர்த்தம் தெரியுமோ? Either we have selfish desires or we have the desires which are harming others, doing harm to others. இந்த ரெண்டு இருந்தாதான் குரோதம் வரும். இல்லைன்னா குரோதமே வராது. புரிஞ்சு போச்சா? இப்போ இதுதான் டிடெக்டர், மெட்டல் டிடெக்டர். ஓகே. ஸோ பிகாஸ் they have their own source. The karma is the source. Whenever I get anger, for example, take our own children. I am angry many times with my children. Suppose they are not doing whatever I want, what way I want. They are not behaving what way I want. I am so wild, I'll get really upset and romba krodhama vandadu. There is some selfishness hidden. Krodha is not the solution. Anger is not the solution. But it is hidden. Namakke theriyadu. Enna Swamini selfishness illiye. What selfishness you have? If selfishness is not there, anger cannot come. There is selfishness hidden. What selfishness you know? Possessiveness. Controllership. That is called lobha. I want to possess my son. He's my son, my daughter. And the possessive nature is called greediness. These are all hidden. Namakke theriyadu. Nama ottukka maatom. நம்ம கண்ணாடி முன்னாடி நிற்கணும். நம்ம மனசை அப்படியே மூஞ்சி பார்த்துக்கணும். நமக்கு நம்ம உள்ளக்குள்ள இருக்க பொசசிவ் நேச்சர், கண்ட்ரோலர்ஷிப். When I want to possess, I want to control, I demand and I command. That's why that krodha leads to lobha. Or lobha reflects as krodha. Why this krodha? Because of some selfish agenda is there. It is very, very much hidden. Very much hidden in our life. Be careful. Scrutinize. Scrutiny. Very sensitive scrutiny. இந்த நம்ம போலீஸில் செக் பண்ணுற அந்த மாதிரி செக்கிங் கூட பத்தாது. There are some people who CBI, very, very intelligent CBI, they never allow any person to escape. அந்த மாதிரி சென்ட்ரல் பியூரோ மாதிரி I have to scrutinize. Krodha. Possessiveness and controllership. How can I control? How can I possess? I don't possess anything, really speaking. Nothing belongs to me. Nothing belongs to me. Everything belongs to God. How can I possess? When I am not possessing anything, how can I control? I have no controllership also. Therefore, I have no right to demand or command. I have only right to advise. I have no right to demand or command because I have no controllership. Swamini, I want to control. I first control your mind. I have no control on my own mind. Where is the right to talk about the controllership on others? Can I control my emotions? First control yourself. Why I have to talk about controllership on others? When I don't have controllership, how can I claim that is my possession? You cannot. These are all facts, universal laws. If you want to control, if you want to claim the ownership, you are going against the law of Ishvara. If either you demand or command, we are going to suffer. There is no demand, there is no command. But these Asuric people always demand, they will command, they want to possess, they want to control, but they can't control their mind. Therefore, mastery on one's own body, mind is called yoga. Follow Panchamaha Yagras. Do Ashtanga Yoga every day. What we are doing in the life, tell me? Reading weekly magazine, Kumudam, Tuglak. What is our lifestyle from the morning to till night? How is our lifestyle? Nama lifestyle paatale and the kodanda apadiye change. They will change. Definitely they will change. They are bound to change. Helplessly. Happily they will change. Namakittu onnume kediyadu. Na romba nalla Swamini. I am so soft. Hey, softness is not sufficient. Goodness is not sufficient. Don't claim yourself you are good. அப்புறம் குட் தான் பெரிய ஜீரோ ஆயிடும். Put in action. Put in action. Live a scriptural programmed life and never give place to any sort of laziness. No laziness. No compromise. In your disciplines, you are like a stone, in hard stone, like practicing. But when other comes, you are so tender, soft. So check your mind. That is kama, krodha, lobha management. Idam trividham tyaja. Next shloka, 22. Etairvimuktah kaunteya tamodvaraistribhirnarah आचरत्यात्मनः श्रेयः ततो याति परां गतिम्. If you give up this kama, krodha, lobha, the selfish desires, and that krodha which is born out of selfish desire, that lobha, greediness born out of possessive nature, if you give up, what will happen? Etaihi vimuktaha. By releasing, freed from these three, etaihi means from these kama, krodha, lobha, vimuktaha, freed from them, tamodvaraihi, the gates of hell, tamodvaraihi, a man is free from naraha acharati. What is good for himself, he will take up. He is free from narakadwaram because he has closed the three highways. He has closed the three highways. Enga ponom theriyadu. Enna pandrathu? Appo he will change his way. He has closed this kama gateway, krodha gateway, lobha gateway. He has closed. Therefore, he has opened another gate, that is Atmanaha Shreyaha Naraha Acharati. Once he is free from these three gates of hell, a man pursues what is good for himself. Shreyaha Atmanaha means dharma and moksha he will take up. Thus, tataha param gatim yati. He attains supreme goal, moksha. He takes to dharmic life. He will go to an, he attains moksha. Simple, over. Next shloka. Yashastra vidhimutsrujya vartate kamakaratah न स सिद्धिमवाप्नोति न सुखं न परां गतिम्. Suppose if you say, no, I don't want to close these gateways because krodha comes, Swamini, I am helpless, there is some possessive nature, I want to control. வெளியில சொல்ல மாட்டோம், உள்ளுக்குள்ள இருக்கு. Suppose I don't close these gateways, what will happen? Yaha shastra vidhim utsrujya, having given up the shastric injunctions. Shastra is asking me, give up selfish desires, give up controllership, give up ownership, don't dominate others, don't be lenient to your weaknesses. Shastra says, Dharma Shastra you follow. No, I don't have time to follow Dharma Shastra, Panchamaha Yajna. Daily Shastra Pathanam, daily Daiva Puja, morning, evening, Parayanam, Puja compulsory. Eppadi vida mudiyum? Vida maate. Shastra Pathanam compulsory. I do Stotra Parayanam every day. Then Manushya Yajna, Bhuta Yajna, I have to take care of other elders, I have to take care of other beings. All these I will follow. At the same time, I read good Shastric connected books. Therefore, first I have to be away from Dussanga. That is why Durga, first day Durga, dosha apanayanam. Enna பண்ணுவா Durga? Dushta shikshanam. First destroy the evil. Durga Devi. அதுக்கப்புறம் என்ன? Lakshmi Saraswati. Guna adhanam. Knowledge and enjoy the life. First destroy your evil tendencies. Slowly, how to destroy? Be in touch with Shastra. If you Vitsrujya, Shastram Vidhim Visrujya means if you give up Shastra Vidhi Nishedha. Shastra Vidhi enna, இது பண்ணுன்னு சொல்லிருக்கு. அது பண்ணு. Daily do தியானம், daily do pranayama, அஷ்டாங்க யோகா, ஆசனா, உடம்புக்காக பண்ணு. இது சாப்பிட, இது சாப்பிடக்கூடாது. Don't smoke, don't speak lies. இதெல்லாம் சொல்லி வச்சிருக்க சாஸ்திரம். Be moderate and legitimate. இந்த விதியெல்லாம் ஃபாலோ பண்ணு. எது நிஷேதம் பண்ணிட்டா அது பண்ணாதே. If you give up this shastra and take up this gateway, open the gateway and go, what will happen? Yaha shastram vidhim usrujya vartate. Whoever remain without sandhya vandanam, without any religious symbols. I am very modern. Enna? Jean pant with full of holes. இது மாடர்ன். காதுக்கு ஒரு தோடு, மூஞ்சி பார்த்தா எப்படி இருக்குன்னா பயங்கரமாக இருக்கும். ஒரு தெய்வீ கலையே கிடையாது அதெல்லாம். அவனுக்கு என்ன கதி? வர்த்ததே காமகாரதா. ஐ என்ஜாய், ஐ வாண்ட் டு என்ஜாய். வை யூ ஆர் நாட் அலோவிங் மீ டு என்ஜாய்? தே ஆஸ்க். That's why never allow the children as they like. You have to handle carefully. First you handle yourself and handle them. நமக்கு நம்ம ஹேண்டில் பண்ணாமல் அவனை ஹேண்டில் பண்ண முடியாது. நமக்கு ஹேண்டில் பண்ணணும்னா சாஸ்திரம், அப்புறம் அவனை ஹேண்டில் பண்ணலாம். இல்லைன்னா என்ன மிச்சம்? துக்கம்தான். நச்ச சித்திம் அவாப்னோதி ந சுகம் ந பராம்கதிம். He can never accomplish anything in this world. Minimum சுகம் கூட வராது அவனுக்கு. What to talk of moksha? ஓகே, மோட்சம் எப்படிதான் வரப்போறது? அவனுக்கு இந்த உலகத்திலேயே இங்க வர வேண்டிய சுகமே கிடையாது. A drunkard, a smoker, a chain smoker, having all bad habits, evil nature, what enjoy he can have here? What sukham he can have? Full of problems. No? He cannot enjoy this life here itself. What to talk of moksha? மோட்சம் வரவே வராது. இந்த ஜென்மால வராது. அந்த அடுத்த ஜென்மா சொல்ல முடியாது. Okay, therefore, having given up the spiritual injunctions, he who lives according to their whims and fancies, impulsive desires, that person neither purity comes nor happiness comes. Where is the question of moksha attaining me, Arjuna? Therefore, close the door. How many doors? 3 doors. तस्मात् शास्त्रं प्रमाणं ते कार्याकार्यं व्यवस्थितौ ज्ञात्वा शास्त्रविधानोक्तम् कर्म कर्तुमिहार्हसि. Therefore, Arjuna, you do your karma here, duty, varna, ashrama, dharma, you follow. As a kshatriya, you have to destroy these Duryodhana, Drona, Bhishma, everyone. It is your duty you have to do. Karma kartum arhasi. You are deserved to do your duty. How? By giving up kama, krodha, lobha. Then what? What you have to take up? Shastra vidhim. Follow the Shastra Vidhi. Tasmat Shastram Pramanam. Pramakaranam Pramanam. That which generate knowledge is called Pramanam. Shastram is the Pramanam. That which generates knowledge in me how to handle my life. That's why in our culture, very, very unique. This is Karma Bhumi here. Shastra is Pramanam. Recently, I read one magazine. There, one vegetable vendor went to buy some vegetables. He is the wholesale shop. He got 3 carrots together. And that 3 carats together appearing same like, I saw the picture also like Shivalingam. That day, Monday, இந்த வெண்டார் என்ன பண்ணிட்டா, இன்னைக்கு மண்டே, I got this Shivalingam. He went and did puja. See the bhakti in this land. Everything is sacred for us here. He did puja. Everybody started coming and started doing puja. அபிஷேகம் வந்து பண்ணிட்டான். அதே வெளிநாட்டில் என்ன பண்ணுவான், அப்போ ஒரு வாட்டில் 3 கேரட் எனக்கு சாப்பிட கச சாப்பிடுவான் அங்கே மார்க்கெட்ல. அதுதான் இந்தியன் மைண்ட், பாரதிய சம்ஸ்கிருதி. அமேசிங். இஃப் யூ see any hole in the tree, big tree trunk, அம்பாள் இருக்குன்னு சொல்லுவான், விநாயகர் இருக்குன்னு சொல்லுவான். இந்த மாதிரி மனசு நமக்கு இங்க. வெளிநாட்டில் இப்படி எல்லாம் கிடையாது. எவ்ரி பிக்னிக் ஸ்பாட் we convert into a temple, religious spot. But they convert every religious spot into picnic spot. That's why சாஸ்திரம் பிரமாணம் here, it is in our blood. அதனால குழந்தை இங்கே தான் இருக்கணும், இங்கே தான் வாழணும். போதும் எனக்கு சேலரி, இது போதும், இந்த வாழ்க்கை போதும், அந்த நாட்டு காத்து எனக்கு வேண்டாம், இந்த நாட்டு காத்து தண்ணி அழுக்க இருந்தா சரி, இதுதான் எனக்கு வேணும். இங்கே தான் வேதம் எல்லாம் இருக்கு. இந்த மண்ணு சோ பவித்திரம், கர்ம பூமி இது, அது வந்து போக பூமி. யூ எக்ஸாஸ்ட் யுவர் புண்ணியம், ஃபுல்லி என்ஜாய், பட் யூ cannot acquire புண்ணிய தேர். இதுதான் கர்ம பூமி. சாஸ்திரம் பிரமாணம் தே, ஏ அர்ஜுனா, டு யூ சாஸ்திரம் பிரமாணம். ஃபார் வாட்? காரிய அகாரிய வியவஸ்திதோ. டு டூ வாட் டு டூ, அகாரியம் நாட் டு டூ வாட் நாட் டு டூ. காரிய அகாரியம், பண்ண வேண்டியது பண்றதுக்கு, பண்ணக்கூடாது பண்ணாமல் இருக்கிறதுக்கு யார் பிரமாணம்னா சாஸ்திரந்திர பிரமாணம். இப்படி தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டு ஞாத்வா, ஹேவிங் நோன் லைக் திஸ், சாஸ்திர விதான உக்தம். எப்படி ஃபாலோ பண்ணணும்? எது சாஸ்திரம்னு சொல்லியிருக்கோ அது ஃபாலோ பண்ணு. எது சாஸ்திரம்னு சொல்லியிருக்கா சுவாமின்னு என்ன அட்டெண்ட் கிளாஸ் தெரிஞ்சிடும் என்ன பண்ணணும்னு. சாஸ்திர விதான உக்தம் கர்ம கர்த்தும் அர்ஹசி. யூ டூ யுவர் டியூட்டி அக்கார்டிங் டு சாஸ்திர. Gurus are there, teachers are there, Shastra is there. Be under their guidance and follow. Then what? You get moksha. Om Tat Sat. Iti Srimad Bhagavad Gitasu Upanishatsu Brahma Vidyayam Yogashaस्त्रे Shri Krishnarjuna Samvade Daivasura Sampad Vibhaga Yogo Nama Shodashodhyayah Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Thus ends the 16th chapter titled Daivasura Sampad Vibhaga Yogaha. Hari Om.